Hi guys, so for today's design we're doing something really quick and really simple. You can of course do it in a variety of different colours and we're using the dry brush technique. So I've started with this base. I'm using a taupe. I'm then going to move in with 3 colours to do the dry brush technique. So I've got a bronze, a white and a black. So you just want to take your polish choice and wipe off practically all of the polish so there's hardly anything left in the brush. And then just make some really light and erratic strokes across the nail like so. And I'm just going to do that with the other 2 colours as well. And that's it, as I said, really quick and simple. You can certainly try it in some other colour combinations as well.